So are you thinking of turning your passion into profit on YouTube this 2025? Whether you're a content creator, doing it as a hobby, or it's actually a side hustle for you, or you actually want to do it full time in 2025, this video will teach you how YouTube monetization works and how you can actually start earning from it this 2025. So let's dive in. So first, let's talk about the YouTube Partnership Program, better way called the YPP. This actually allows you to monetize your content on YouTube, either through adverts, through brand sponsorship, through membership, through super chat, and what have you. But to join the program, there are actually requirements you need to meet up with, which is actually number 1, 1,000 subscribers. Number 2, 4,000 watch hour in the last 12 months. That's 365 days. Or 10 million views on your YouTube shorts within 90 days. And number 3, you need to comply with the YouTube monetization policy, which is actually talking about copyright, how you actually post your videos, where you get your videos from, the kind of things you talk about on YouTube. These are the basic requirements you need to meet up with to be able to get monetized on YouTube. And also don't forget, you will need an AdSense account, like a Google AdSense account linked to your channel to be able to get your money. Sometimes where a lot of people have issues is how they actually get this 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. And I must tell you, this is very, very doable because this particular channel right here is monetized, and I have other faceless channels that have been able to monetize. But there's something we need to know about getting monetized in 2025. So my number 1 will be create high quality videos. Yes, if you really want YouTube to push your videos, you need to create very high quality videos. Ensure your camera settings are the best if you're going to be using your phone or whichever device you're going to be using, your phone, your camera, whichever one. Always ensure that you record in very high resolution so that your videos come out so well on YouTube. Also, when you are editing your videos on whichever editing apps you're going to be using, color grade your work to ensure that your videos come out so well. Another thing will be to actually create engaging content. Like, you need to allow people be on your channel. People want to watch you for something. What's that thing you're going to be doing that's going to make anybody watch you? So just like I said, create high quality videos and ensure that your videos are very, 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 very engaging. Another thing I'm going to talk about is focus on a niche. Some persons, sometimes when I watch other YouTubers, sometimes they say there's really no need for niche. I'm going to explain to you why you actually need a niche. For example, you started a YouTube channel, you created your YouTube channel and you started talking maybe educational content, you're posting educational content, and all of a sudden you move to sports, and another time you're doing a music video. So there's something called the YouTube algorithm. Now this algorithm is trying to look for the exact audience to push your content to. So for example, you posted your first content and your first content was teaching somebody a tutorial or something on, or let's say cooking. So you posted a video on cooking and YouTube is trying to push your videos to those who love your kind of content. Then by the next you upload your next video, you're doing something entirely different from that. Okay, maybe because it's your second upload, YouTube might try to help you push your content to those who want to watch that. Then by the next one, you're doing something entirely different. Like, you are confusing the algorithm. That way it might be difficult for you to actually grow on YouTube. But that is why most times we always say focus on a niche. So with this niche, once you start uploading on YouTube, gradually YouTube will know the right audience to always push your videos to. Of course, there are a lot also involved here. As much as you focus on a niche, your thumbnail, the kind of topics you use, and so many other things are important to your kind of niche. Now you'll be like, I actually do a very good niche. How come I'm still not getting views? Now that a niche is good doesn't mean that that is what a lot of persons are engaging on at a particular point in time. And this is where you actually need to do your research to find out what niche, engaging niche, or what's the particular thing trending right now, what are the highest paying niche on YouTube, and what are these niche, like just like getting content ideas concerning this particular niche. So on your ChatGPT, you're going to type, I am starting a YouTube channel and I need recommendations for the top most profitable for a YouTube channel. Rank them based on the highest. So here right now, ChatGPT is going to give you content ideas. Now you can look at it. Number one, they say personal finance and investing. Why? Because the CPM on this, that's the cost per 1,000 impression, is quite high. Number two is tech and gadget. Number three is health and fitness. Number four is education and online learning, like this one you're doing right here, you can see. So now they're giving you topics and examples of such channels that are actually doing this right now and are doing so well. Number five is luxury and lifestyle. Number six is gaming. Seven, beauty, fashion. Number eight, food and cooking. Number nine is parenting and family. But now we're going for the highest. You can decide to actually pick something around finance and investing. So the next thing I'm going to do is tell ChatGPT to act as a YouTuber and give me 20 engaging topics on the selected one. For me, I'm going to pick on personal finance and investing for my YouTube channel. So look at that right here. So ChatGPT is going to create top 10 so finance 101, beginner friendly topics, investment, like they are even categorizing them based on which is going to actually do well for me. Now you can see that money mindset and lifestyle, yeah, anything around money, a lot of persons want to learn a whole lot. So you can see that I already have 20 content ideas from ChatGPT. So now I'm going to tell ChatGPT to add as a script writer and generate engaging script on any of these topics here. So I can say act as a script writer and generate engaging scripts with relevant examples. You can decide to pick any of this. So let's pick something around, let's say, money mindset, on money mindset and lifestyle. So yes, remember we told you to give us tips with relevant tips and examples. Let me add that, relevant tips and examples on money mindset and lifestyle. So once we search this out, ChatGPT is going to give us the best answer. So now we can look at that. So ChatGPT is telling me what next to do. So here is a script right now. It's even making me to know that, okay, I'm the host. This is what I should do. And it's also giving me other things I can actually do right here. Look at that. Now a script is out for me. Look at that. Like you can see that, in fact, this is a very well, I can use this. Of course, I have to actually need to go through everything it's telling me right here, and it's telling me what to do as a host, and it's also giving me examples. You can see examples on my screen, and it also gave me a good conclusion. So the next we're going to do is tell ChatGPT to generate the best description. Now, in your YouTube studio, you're going to use your description and tags when you're uploading your video. For example, you've made your video, you've edited your video, and you want to post. I usually ask ChatGPT to give me, based on the script it has given me, it will give me a description of what my video is talking about. So that is exactly what I'm going to be doing right now. So you tell ChatGPT. So you're going to tell ChatGPT to give you the best description and tags that will suit the topic, the YouTube, topic. So once you click on this, it's going to describe your video for you. So once you're uploading this on your YouTube studio, look at that. It has given me everything I need to make. I can even tell ChatGPT to further create a thumbnail. Yeah, it can actually do that. So let me say ChatGPT, create a thumbnail for my topic. So let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. Now it's actually generated my thumbnail. So yeah, you can actually go do this on Canva, or from what ChatGPT gives you, you can from there actually get an inspiration of what you're gonna do. So this is actually not bad, but I need my picture, I need myself to be, but this is like an inspiration or something. Okay, I can actually do something like this. I can modify this on Canva. So this is how you actually go about all of this. This is one of the easiest way to actually go around your YouTube content. And with time, once you start posting on YouTube, the YouTube algorithm is already recognizing the kind of content you post. You can, from your analytics, get content ideas also. For those who are like, oh, is it only ChatGPT I'm going to use? No, ChatGPT is not the only way you can get content ideas. Once you start posting a particular niche, the YouTube algorithm or your YouTube analytics in your YouTube studio is also going to give you trends and inspiration for your next content idea. So my next is going to be stay consistent with your uploads. Now, a lot of YouTubers actually start up here, and the first few months of starting up, they get tired, they get bored. In fact, there are a lot of people who actually, have all the enthusiasm. They want to actually create YouTube channels, start up something on YouTube. And before you know it, after a month or two, probably because they're not getting views or the kind of views they want, they decide to just, I can't continue this. YouTube doesn't really work like that. You have to be consistently uploading videos. Now, what is going to be your own strategy? Do I want to upload one video weekly, 2 videos, or even 3 videos? And if it's possible, you can actually upload as much as 5 videos. Remember, you're trying to meet up with the requirement of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 12 months, 365 days, or 10 million views in 90 days. So there's no way you're going to be posting just once a week if you're trying to meet up with that requirement to join the YouTube partnership program. So that way, when you're starting YouTube for the first time, you need to be more consistent with your upload. Like, nobody is saying you shouldn't continually, even when when you are in the partnership program, you still need to post at least weekly, once a week or twice a week, as the case may be. But all I'm trying to say is that now you're trying to meet up with the requirements, you need to be more frequent with your upload, because it's going to be somehow you posted a video today, the algorithm is still trying to recognize you and find out, oh, who am I going to push your content to, and you are off the algorithm, you are off for as much as 6-7 days, and you come back again. No, you really need to put in all the work to ensure that the YouTube algorithm picks your videos and pushes your videos to the right audience. So another tip in building your channel will be to use SEOs like search engine optimization, that will help you rank your videos and use the right hashtags, use the right tags for your videos that will help you get recognized by YouTube. So now, having done all of this, and you have now been accepted into the YouTube partnership program, now there are different ways you can actually earn money on YouTube. The first will be the ad revenue. So when you see advert playing in between videos, probably like you see in this video, maybe beginning, in between the video and after the video, and of course your video needs to be 8 minutes and above if you want advert to play in between your videos. So adverts playing in between your video is one of the ways you can actually earn from YouTube, and the percentage is split 55% to you, 45% to YouTube. So for every 1,000 view you get, depending on the kind of niche you are on, there's a percentage that goes to YouTube and there's a percentage that comes to you. That is why you need to go for high paying niche, because there are some niche that I won't really advise you to go for in 2025. And there are so many niche that are very, very profitable. I've done a video on this. I'll link it in the description box so that you can actually know the high paying niche we have on YouTube. So another way you can earn on YouTube is through membership. So for example, you have a YouTube channel and you have a community of, subscribers who love your content, who love your work so well. These subscribers can actually become members, whereby they support you and support your work basically. So outside just the revenue you earn on YouTube, your members having membership can also earn you money on YouTube. So another way you can earn is through super chats. So for example, you go live on YouTube frequently, your fans can actually gift you. Yes, any of your fans who come live to join you can gift you. And there are also video gifts. For example, people can decide to just super chat you, and their super stickers and super likes. So these are a way of supporting your work, but most times people who do this earn more when they stream live on YouTube. So another way will also be through brand sponsorship. So once you grow, yes, you've started your channel, you are known for a particular kind of niche, brands can actually contact you, and because they want you to talk about their products or their service, and you will earn money doing this. In fact, with this, you might necessarily not have to have 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hour. You're still a young YouTuber, you're still trying to build that. Now a brand can actually see you as somebody who actually knows what she's doing, and they can decide to contact you and okay, we have this product, we have this service, come talk about it, and you earn a lot of money doing that. So sometimes growing on YouTube can actually be very, very tasking. That's why sometimes you see a lot of young YouTubers after a while get discouraged and just leave their channel. I want to advise you now, once you start, just focus on adding value. I know the end result is to actually earn money, but another thing that you really need to do is to focus on adding value. With value and time comes the reward. So a lot of big YouTubers you see today, some of them will tell you they did YouTube 2 years, they were not really getting anything. Some will tell you 6 months, and some can actually stay as much as 3 years. So now you want to actually go into it. I understand there's a lot of money here creating content on YouTube, but a lot of persons are very impatient. They just want it now. I know delayed gratification is something. So some persons can start YouTube in 1 month, they get monetized. Others 5 months, they get monetized. For example, on this channel, I got this channel monetized within 10 weeks of starting it, because I focused on what people wanted. Yes, if you want to easily get monetized, always focus on something people are looking for. Once you focus on what people are looking for, once they search, once you use the right keywords, use the right things, and your video pops up, they are gonna watch it. So as much as I said, passion is good, but link your passion into adding valuable something, solve people's problem, go for what people are looking for. That way you can easily get monetized on YouTube. So guys, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Also, you can watch my YouTube playlist on YouTube monetization. I actually have a playlist where I've done a lot of videos talking about how to go about your YouTube monetization. I also have another playlist talking about your editing tutorials, how to go about editing your videos and all of that. Also, I have another playlist on Facebook monetization. If you're still struggling with your Facebook monetization, content monetization beta, how to actually go about your content on Facebook, I have an entire playlist for that. You can also do well to just watch them. So let's make 2025 the year you turn your YouTube dreams into reality. Yeah. So see you on the next video.